Hey guys, this is Mr. Wiggins again. I wanted to go over with you guys what Phase 3 is going to look like for computers. Uh, you will have a yellow folder named Marking Period 4 Learning Opportunities when you get to the homepage of computer or your computer class. So you're going to click on that folder, and then it's going to take you to 6 other folders. Now, each one of these folders is based off of the next 6 weeks, so each one is a week. Uh, so week 1 is going to be the week that we're going to be starting Phase 3, which is next week. If you click on that, uh, I'm going to have the screencast of what I'm going over right now for Phase 3 computer class screencast for you available right there if you need to review this. Also, too, for each week, you're going to have a screencast of a general overview of what learn opportunities you guys are going to have for the week. Also, another thing that you're going to see is this screencast for the week does not explain in full detail, or you have some questions about the assignments that we're going to be working on. You can always join the Zoom meeting. Now, for 6th, 7th, and 8th grade, I'm going to be holding Zoom meetings on Tuesday. They will be at different times. So for 7th grade, it is 8 o'clock to 8:30. For 8th grade, it's going to be 9:30 to 10. And for 6th grade, it's going to be 1:45 to 2:15. And these are not mandatory. So this is only if you guys have questions about the assignments and stuff like that. Okay, so that's all I want to do for this screencast. And then next, I'm going to be talking about the week 1 learn opportunities.